Assalamualaikum my dear children, how are you all? I hope you people are doing good. Today let's continue the last part of this 7th lesson children, that is school is fun. Okay, so let's get started. Let us look at some other places, special places in Millie's school. So here we have taken the example of Millie's school children, and we'll come to know about the different places in the school. Okay, the first one is the classroom. What we will do in the classroom children? Yes, of course we will read and write in the classrooms. So here students learn to read and write. Every student will sit in the classroom and they will learn how to read and how to write, isn't it? Next, school clinic. If a student gets hurt, he or she is given medicines here. So if any things happen, like if anyone gets hurt, so what the management will do, they will take you to the school clinic, and there you will be given the medicines, right? So that place is called as the school clinic. Okay, next is the library. This room has many books. This is the quietest room in the school. So what is a library children? In this room there will be large number of books kept there, and we should take that books and read it with the eyes. No one should make noise in that room. So that is why this is the quietest place in the school, and this will have many books. Okay, next is the playground. Everyone knows this. Where you will go to the PT children? Of course you will go to the playground and you will play, isn't it? So children play here with their friends and you will have lot of fun, isn't it? Next is the canteen. So canteen is nothing but the students eat their lunch here. Okay children, this is the place where students sit and have their lunch. Okay, that is called as the canteen. Next is music room. This is Joy's favorite room. The children learn to sing here. So in this room the children will learn how to sing. So this is called as a music room children, and this is the Joy's favorite room. Next room is the principal's room. Meet the principal here. So if you want to meet with the principal, where you will go children? Will go to the principal's room, isn't it? If you have an issue, you will discuss with your sir there, isn't it? Next, computer lab. The children learn how to use computers here. So if you want to learn about the computers, where you will go? You will go to the computer lab, isn't it children? Then next, staff room. Everyone knows this. This room is for the teachers. Whenever teacher gets the leisure time, they will go to the staff room. They will do their works like the corrections and all, isn't it? So that room is called as the staff room. This room is for just the teachers. Okay, so these are the different places you can find in any school. What are they? Classroom, school clinic, library, playground, canteen, music room, principal's room, computer lab, and staff room. Okay children, next, some special schools. Now let's learn about some other special schools. What are they? They are the boarding school, evening school, and other is at home. Let's know about them. Okay, first one is the boarding school. Jojo studies in a boarding school. It is far away from his home, so he stays in a hostel within the school. Sometimes he misses his parents, but most of the time he has great fun with his friends. So what is a boarding school children? Boarding school is nothing but it will be far away from your home, and the children, what they will do, they will stay there only, they will study there only. They will not come to their home back. They will stay in the boarding school. They will learn there, they will stay there like that. They will eat and play, they will sleep there only. That is called as the boarding school. Okay, and Jojo, here we have taken the example of Jojo. So Jojo will study in the boarding school, and it is far from his home, and he will stay in a hostel children. He stays in a hostel within the school. He will not go to his home. He will stay there only, and he will study. Sometimes he misses his parents. Why? Because he stays away from his parents now. That is why he misses them. But most of the time he has great fun with his friends, and also at the same time he enjoys with his friends. So that is called as a boarding school. Next is an evening school. What is it? Renu's mother runs a shop. Renu helps her mother during the day, so she goes to an evening school. Her favorite is math class. She waits for it all day. So here we have taken the example of Renu. Her mother runs a shop, children. That is why Renu will not be able to attend the morning school. So she will help her mother in the daytime, and she will go to school in the evening. That is why it is called as the evening school. And her favorite subject is math, children, and she waits for it all the day. Next is John lives in Alaska. It is very cold place. Most of the year it snows a lot. He cannot go out of his house, so he studies at home with the help of a computer. So here we have taken the example of John's children. John, he lives in Alaska. So it is very cold place. It snows a lot all over the year there. So that is the reason why he cannot go to school every day. So what he do? He studies at home with the help of a computer. Like now in this pandemic, what we are doing, children, we are taking the online classes, isn't it? So we are also studying at home nowadays because of this pandemic, isn't it? So that is a school at home. So these are some special schools like the boarding school, evening school at home that students will go. Okay. Well, I would like to end up my discussion here, children. We'll catch up in the next video with the objectives of this lesson. Till then, stay safe, stay connected, practice hard. Allah Hafiz.